Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick one today. Doing some video editing in Kden Live, and I had to look this one up. I wasn't sure how to do this. So if we look at Kden Live here, we have a clip up here. We're going to drag it down into our timeline. And one thing I do in iMovie all the time is I just right click here and I do detach audio. And that takes this audio track away, because a lot of times I want to do like a music overlay, or I want to make this a fast clip, a high-speed clip, or fast forward, whatever you want to call it, and remove the audio for it so you don't hear all the blips and beeps and all that when it goes like that. So to do that same thing here in Kden Live, I had to go look this up. It just wasn't intuitive to me. You know, there's no detach audio, work with audio. So what you have to do is you have to right click this. Let me make sure that you can see this okay. Yeah. So what you have to do is you have to go in, you have to right click, you have to ungroup clips. This one right here, Control Shift G is the shortcut. So we ungroup clips, and then we can select our audio, we can hit our delete key, and it's gone. So about the same amount of steps, I guess. It's just a little bit different way of going about it. So anyway, quick tip: Kden Live, detach audio, remove audio, ungroup clips, and then just delete it. So simple as that. Well, hey guys, that's all we have for today. Just a quick tip. We'll see you next time.